Here's how to create your first TikTok ad campaign. First, open up any web browser and head over to ads.tiktok.com. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, on the dashboard, you want to click on the campaigns option. From here, click on Create. Now, the first thing you have to do here is set up your advertising objective. Select your objective, then click on Continue. On the next page, enter your campaign info, then click on Continue. Here you will have to upload your ad content. For that, connect your TikTok account, then enter the destination URL. Now click on Videos and Images. From here, you want to select the creative assets. After you have uploaded videos and images, add the call to action, then click on Continue. On the next page, you will have to enter the targeting and budget. You can select automatic or you can select custom. If you have selected custom, enter location, languages, and gender. On the budget page, you want to select your preferred budget here. You can also select custom budget and enter it over here as well. Now decide the scheduling. You can select continue for at least 7 days or you can select custom schedule. From here, you can set start and end time. Then click on publish. Now you will have to complete the payment setup. Click on complete now. Now enter the billing information such as country, state, then enter county, now enter city, then enter postal code. Now enter the street address, then click on submit. Now you will have to set up payment method. For that, click on complete now and here enter the amount. Minimum is $10. Now click on confirm. Here you want to select your preferred payment method. If you have selected credit or debit card, then enter the card number, then expiration date, then enter security code. Now enter the card holder name. Confirm your billing address, then click on make payment. Now TikTok is going to review your ad. Ad approval typically takes anywhere from 2 to 24 hours. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.